Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove or replace the crankshaft pulley, okay, harmonic balancer on Hyundai Elantra generation 2011 to 2017. So we're taking the whole engine apart. It has engine knock, you know, that's a weak spot on those. We have more than 200 videos taking this whole Elantra apart. So if you need anything, please subscribe. More videos will be found on World Mechanics as well. So now that's you can see that's the harmonic balancer, also known as the crankshaft pulley. Kia Hyundai, the procedure is the same guys. And how we're going to remove that now? You need to use some heavy duty tools, okay, and air compressor will be the easiest way with the gun. So we use that impact here now, half an inch impact. Pretty powerful. All the tools that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. The compressor, that little pancake compressor, goes all the way to 165 psi. So it will be amazing for that job because it will give us quite a bit of boost in the beginning so we can remove that bolt. It might take a few tries, but let's see. Now we're going to pump it all the way up. Right now it's at about 130, so let's go to 165. So you can see it's all the way to 165 and it just stopped, so that should be enough air now. I'll be using the impact here, but let me explain quick. Okay, if you're not able to see, okay, the crankshaft pulley, that's because you have that plastic in the way, okay, just like that. So what you have to do, you have to remove these two bolts on the side, okay, they're like right here, with 10mm socket, and you have two on the front, and you remove that half of the plastic so you can reach the crankshaft pulley. Now, what you need to do now guys, sometimes, okay, you have to turn the impact to get the bolt tight at first, okay, and hit it for about 5 seconds. After that, turn it to get loose. That way it will come off easier. Sometimes if it doesn't come off all of a sudden, trying to get it loose, try this. And we'll go back like counterclockwise now to try to get the bolt loose. Okay, and you can see with just a little bit of air, okay, that crankshaft pulley bolt came out. Okay, now you can grab it. It's a keyed crankshaft pulley, so it goes only one certain way, okay, and we pulled it out just like that. So, okay, you can see this is the crankshaft pulley. You cannot install it in the wrong way. You don't need a puller to pull it out. It just comes out on its own. There's a key right here, so it goes only in one certain way. So that's how you guys remove it. Not very complicated procedure at all. If you need help with anything else, please let us know and we'll try to make more videos.